What's going on, guys? It's week 2, back on the Argosy. Hit it full steam. Walls, what did I do? Insulation?
Yeah.
Was that last week
Yeah.
too?
Mm-hmm.
Can't remember. Walls, insulation, put the lights in. It's beautiful. So let's go check it out. Come on, guys. If any of you have followed us before, you know that we've used these panels on our last project, Bill, and they're pretty dirty. And dirty, I mean, it's very dusty. These are our FRP panels, which means fiberglass reinforced panels. So when you cut them, fiberglass dust goes everywhere. So obviously, wear your respirator, your eye protection, and
cut outside. In a well-ventilated area.
Yes, cut outside, well-ventilated area. But it's cold, it's raining, and I'm not doing that outside. So, next best option, get your handy-dandy shop vac and your masking tape. This was the only tape I had. I'm out of duct tape. But it works well. So what you do is turn it on, and as it cuts this way, it sucks right into the vacuum. Look, there's like little to no mess on the ground. It's wonderful. So, there's your Bob Vila tip for the day. Have a good one. Okay, so to start off, we've had a bunch of questions about what exactly we're using for the walls. If you look at it, it's already white. This is FRP panels. You can buy them at your local big box hardware store, Home Depot or Lowe's. The reason why we've been using this, we used this on our last project, Bell, is for one, it's flimsy enough to work for the Airstream curves. 2, it's white. And 3, it's just in stock. So it's kind of nice.
And it's soft. So it's soft on this side. And then obviously the textured on the side you don't see.
Yes, it's textured on the other side. We don't use that side. That side, facing in. What's nice about it too is, before I come to paint, I just come wipe everything off. So nice and clean, just prep it for paint. We've also used 1/4-inch plywood before for our Airstream, and on a couple of our builds we've used the original aluminum. Just sometimes it's a preference. We like the way that this turns out looking with the custom end caps, things like that. It can, pretty much kind of do what aluminum does. It's also a little bit cheaper. And another reason we choose to go this route over aluminum is because we always paint the walls white, and so it just kind of feels like a waste if you buy new aluminum and then you paint it white. And it's just like, why'd you get aluminum? So this is why we use this. It's kind of a 2-person job putting it up because it is so flimsy, but we make it work. But so, this is what it looks like. Check it out. It's all nice and white in here. Got a few finishing touches that need to be done. But there's the end cap. So yesterday we went to Home Depot to go pick up 2x4s, cabinet wood, things like that. Next is the flooring, building out the bathroom. So just stay steady, guys. See ya.